Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul and I am so excited about this one. I am not gonna lie to you though, I am filming in my kitchen because it's almost 12 o'clock at night and this is really the only area of the house that has decent lighting. However, 3 of our appliances are not working right now, you guys, and one of them is the dishwasher. So yeah, I have this going on. So if you see that in the background, just know that I'm not like super messy. It's just that I have to hand wash everything. And my other 2 appliances that are not working are my washer and my dryer. We think it's an electrical issue, and that is part of like the reason why I posted that kind of like emo community tab post saying like, do you guys want to hear my honest thoughts about our house? I will do a video, an update video. We love our house though. It's just had its moments pretty early on. So anyways, yeah, the reason why I am so excited about this Dollar Tree haul though is that I have started to see the first glimpses of fall. I picked this stuff up 1 or 2 days ago. Today is the 27th of June and maybe it's the 26th. I don't know, I'm losing my mind. So I am so excited to share with you what I picked up, and I'm not even gonna save the best for last. I'm just gonna come in hot with the best thing first. So my favorite items from today's haul have to be these cotton stems. These are part of the fall collection and they're just called cotton. And these are really nice, you guys. They have 3 pine cones. I guess there are like 4 variations. My girl, Winter Candy Apple. I'm not gonna say your full name, girl, just because this video could get flagged. I'll leave her Instagram below. She posts a lot of pictures of like Bath and Body Works stuff and candles and home decor and things from Dollar Tree. So she says there's 4 variations. I think I might have 2 here. I'm not 100% sure, but this one has 3 pine cones and then you do get the 2 stems of cotton. And I'll give you a close up. The leaves are like a brown plastic and they have almost like a darker brown staining to kind of make it look natural, I guess. And then the inside is not like real cotton. It's like that fluff that is inside of your dog's toys, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And I think even though it's like not made out of the natural materials like the ones from Hobby Lobby, I think they look pretty good. And these pop right off, as you see. And you can definitely use these to DIY with. I actually do kind of have a DIY in mind for these. It doesn't even necessarily have to be for fall. It's just kind of like a farmhouse style DIY. But let me know if you think like mid to late July is too early to start doing fall DIYs. I tend to use a lot of Dollar Tree stuff, and it's, you guys know you have to get it when you see it, even if it's several months in advance. So I would love to just get started as soon as possible on any ones that I want to do and any that I think of to come, just so you guys don't miss out on the supplies at the most affordable cost, you know, from Dollar Tree. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I also picked up this little pick right here, and I am going to insert footage at the end of all of the other like fall florals and picks that I saw. I don't even necessarily have a use for this particular one. I did the same thing last year where just at the first sight of a pumpkin, I had to pick it up. I wasn't leaving it behind. So I just grabbed whichever one had the prettiest looking pumpkin, but they had really nice picks, you guys. These are definitely like higher quality than they were in years past. And it's kind of to the point where it's like, you know, Hobby Lobbies are a little bit nicer, a little bit fuller, but like, is it worth splurging more on Hobby Lobby ones or just getting like basically the same look from Dollar Tree? I don't know, but some of them like even had eucalyptus sprigs on them, which eucalyptus is my favorite and it's so popular lately. Yeah, I really do think they're stepping up their game, and I did see some neutral stuff and I'm sure there's a lot more to come, you guys. So I think that even the people who like have a hard time finding their color scheme at Dollar Tree may be able to this year, which is super exciting. And like I said, there will be footage at the end of what else I saw. But I have to give a big shout out to eGallery. I will link her channel below. She posted yesterday, or I don't know, depending on when this video goes up, it might have been a few days ago. The most amazing Dollar Tree haul. I mean, I liked everything she picked up, but she showed the new pumpkins that they're coming out with this year, and they are so, so cute. I am so excited to find those. Honestly, she should owe me a little bit of gas money because I went all over town. I went to like 5 or 6 Dollar Trees and couldn't find them. I'm just kidding, girl, but seriously, like, I am on the hunt for those. I was so happy to see that video of hers. Definitely check that out if you haven't already. Like I said, I'll link her channel below. I also found this little canvas right here. This is from the same collection as that Bless Our Nest one that I found that I was so excited about. And I think I did see this one when I was there, but I didn't pick it up. But I've seen a few more people get it, and I thought, okay, let me get it. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to use it or put it in a giveaway or what I'll do just yet, but I thought it looked pretty like fall. It also could be year-round though, because like I see all different kinds of flowers, but I think it's just like these sunflowers and these like orange and red flowers that kind of make it feel a little bit like fall. Like this reminds me of the farmer's market in late August, which I absolutely love. I did pick up this gold kind of like crafting paper. This is by the Creativity Inc. brand, but it's actually just a Dollar Tree brand. Whenever it says Greenbrier International on the back, it means it is a Dollar Tree brand, but this does look like it came from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. You do get 6 sheets, and here are the kind of patterns. You get a stripe, a polka dot, and sort of like is that called damask or something like that? It's sort of like a floral. So I grabbed this, and I also grabbed 2 of these triangle banners. It doesn't come with the string to my knowledge, but you do get 14 banners, and I was looking for these to make a banner for Father's Day, but I couldn't find them, so I just like, you know, cut some cardboard myself, and it wasn't perfect, but you know, you can always do that. But I think it's really nice to, you know, just have the pre-made one, so I grabbed 2. I also grabbed this really adorable bag. It's like a deep navy blue or like a midnight blue with rose gold text that says celebrate, and I really like that they made the like little ribbon handle kind of a blush mauvey rosy pink color that matches the rose gold really well. And they have so many cute bags that are part of like whatever collection this is. They have like a pink one and a teal one, and they just say kind of like general celebratory phrases like best day ever, celebrate, yay, or I don't know exactly what they say. I should have took a picture, but I got this for an engagement present, and you guys know rose gold and copper are my favorite, so I love, love, love that I've been seeing Dollar Tree incorporate that into their items. And then the last few things that I got are these 2 packs of socks. I have been kind of like in desperate need of socks because, like I said, our washer and dryer are out right now, and we're supposed to be having someone come fix them, but they have not come. So yeah, I kind of just picked up socks just because I can't really wash mine right now without going to the laundromat, and like we have gone to the laundromat and I seriously hate going there because I feel like really weird about washing things like socks and underwear and things. So anyways, I just got this set. It has like the diamond print and the polka dots. This one is my favorite. It has the cactus and it also has stripes. And then this one is also a stripe pattern and some more polka dots. The last random item I want to share with you guys, just because I also picked this up when I was out shopping at Dollar Tree. I stopped into Pier 1 to look for an engagement gift, and I got this to throw into the gift. This was on sale for, I want to say $4, and it says wifey in gold and diamonds, and it's a little bit tacky, but I kind of love it, and it's just like a little cute thing to throw into the gift. I also am giving a bottle of champagne and like a wooden black letter of my girlfriend's new last initial or soon to be last initial. So yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there since I'm going to be gifting it in just a couple days, and I don't know if I'll be hauling again before then. So that is my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you're excited to start seeing the fall stuff come into the stores, or if you're holding on to summer for as long as possible. If that's the case, that is perfectly fine. Definitely not pushing fall onto anybody. It just happens to be my favorite season. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye, guys. Okay, you guys, we have fall florals, and they have really, really nice ones this year. I am so excited. They have like orange peonies. They have a lot of options of like neutral flowers, and look at these. They're like daisies with pine cones as the center. These are like sunflowers that have like a little bit of velvet. These are really, really nice. They're a super bright orange though, which is a little bit too bright for me, but they look so nice. They have lots of burgundy. These are super nice. These are like burgundy peonies. These would be beautiful on a wreath. Oh my gosh, you guys know I'm so happy. They have the pine cone sunflowers in like the traditional sunflower color. And look at these. They're like a dark purplish black hydrangea. They also have the green. They have the mini mums, and they have a lot of the like burlap flowers, which I really like. These are gorgeous. They're like a burnt orange sunflower. You guys know I'm in heaven right now. And they have picks too. So a pumpkin pick. Let's see if they have anything that's new. Oh wow. This is new for this year. It is like a sunflower with a little bit of twigs and a pine cone, and this feels really nice actually. This is new as well. It is a peony. And it's like a muted color. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is a pumpkin with like the hay or whatever coming out. I'm just in shock, you guys. No freaking way. Look, this has a acorn and a eucalyptus sprig. Oh my goodness. This has a gourd. This has a bigger pine cone. I'm shook, you guys. They also have the burlap ribbon and the little hay bales, and that's all I've seen so far for fall. Okay, I lied. They have a whole display of more fall florals. They have the pomegranates and the feathers. There's acorns and gourds down there. Really pretty stuff. But wait until you see this, you guys. They have cotton. Can you freaking believe that? They do have this entire section of sunflower stuff. These are really cool. So it's like a cutout wood piece that says keys with little hooks for your keys, and honestly this is like one of the most useful things I've ever seen decor wise at Dollar Tree. They also have these signs. This one says missing socks with the clips, and there is a little thing on the back that you could hang things up. Let's see if there's any other missing socks. This one says missing items. This one says missing items. This one says missing socks. And That's really, really cute. I'm so tempted to pick one of these up, but I know that I don't need this and I would never use it. But it's cute if you would.